Why do some people walk into a room and instantly command attention, while others stay invisible no matter how hard they try? Here's the truth. Getting attention isn't about being loud. It's about being magnetic. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step. No fake confidence, no begging, just raw, undeniable presence. Control the room without saying a word. The first step, your body speaks before your mouth does. Stand straight, shoulders back, chest open. Walk slowly, never rush. That tells the world, I'm not in a hurry, I'm in control. When you enter a room, don't look around nervously. Instead, pause. Scan the room like you own it. That second of silence, that's power. People notice confidence when it's calm, not chaotic. Eye contact that commands respect. Want to get someone's attention instantly? Look them directly in the eyes. Not creepy, not aggressive, just locked in, steady, and relaxed. Alpha energy is in the eyes. Most people glance. Alphas gaze. Don't look down. Don't look away first. Hold it. Let them feel your presence. Speak less, impact more. Loud people want attention. Quietly confident people own it. When you speak, speak with purpose. Pause, breathe, let your words land. People listen more when you talk less, but with weight. Eliminate filler words. Speak slow. Power is in precision, not volume. Your presence starts with style. Like it or not, people judge within seconds. Your clothes, your grooming, they tell a story. Make sure it's the one you want told. Dress clean, smell good. Keep it simple but sharp. You don't need designer brands. Just discipline and appearance. It shows you respect yourself. And when you respect yourself, others do too. Energy, the invisible force. Your energy introduces you before you even speak. Are you nervous? People feel it. Are you calm and grounded? People feel that too. To get attention, you must become the calm in the storm. Don't react emotionally to everything. Breathe, center yourself, stay composed under pressure. That's rare, that's magnetic. Bring value without trying. People are drawn to those who bring value. Not just money, ideas, humor, insight, calm, vision, presence. Speak when you have something meaningful to say. Be the guy who listens more. But when he speaks, everyone stops to hear. Don't chase attention. Become the guy attention chases. Here's the cold truth. The less you care about getting attention, the more you get it. Stop trying to please everyone. Detach from approval. Move with purpose, not permission. That's when the world starts to notice. They'll say, "Who's that guy?" And they'll feel the shift before they even speak to you. Attention isn't given, it's earned through presence. You don't need to scream, you just need to become undeniable. So now ask yourself, are you ready to become magnetic, or will you keep being invisible? Subscribe now if you're serious about self-mastery, because I'm here to help you unlock your full, savage potential.